Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to get sales on Redbubble. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Since a little bit over a year ago, I've been using Redbubble regularly. As of the time I'm doing this, I've made $1,238 since June 2021. I'm in a few passive income groups on Facebook, and I know that others have struggled to make even a few sales on the site this year. Here are some of the ways I think Redbubble has helped me sell more. The first is put up lots of designs. Try to post as many designs as you can and keep doing so regularly. I can see how you might not be able to upload many designs at once if they are very complicated. But if they are simple and based on text like mine, it should be easy. Between $300 and $1,000 is a good range for your account, in my opinion. 2. Find your niche. For example, I post a lot of parenting content and sometimes designs that would fit in other categories. But I say that's my main niche. Having a niche helps you get fans, and when people come to you to buy one product, they might also like your other designs. Designs based on what's popular. You can use the search bar on Redbubble or other sites to find out what's popular. If you look at what is popular, you can figure out what people want and make your designs for that group. Featured collection. Having a niche will help you show off that niche in your featured collection. Like I said, I'm mostly interested in parenting content, and the name of my main collection is Proud Parenting. Put designs on everything you can. Okay, not everything, but try to get your designs on as many things as possible. You might have to make your design bigger for this to work, but it's worth it. You never know what will make someone want to buy something from you. I thought I'd never sell a mug on Redbubble, but someone bought one from me last month. Follow accounts that post content that is similar to yours or just accounts that you like and feel good about. Now, you shouldn't always expect someone to follow you back, but sometimes they will, which can help you build your network. Since it's not like a social media site, it can be hard to get people to follow you there. But from other creators, send them bubble mail and put yourself out there. Make use of tags. You can add up to 50 tags to a new design when you upload it. I try to put as many tags as I can, but if you can't think of 50, try to come up with at least 10 to 15. If I need help coming up with tags that go together, I use this generator. Use social media to market your store. If you already have a following on social media, use it to promote your Redbubble. Your fans already like you, and I'm sure they check out your shop as well. It's not too late to start a following if you don't already have one. Make an account, post your art for sale on Redbubble with a link in your bio, and follow accounts whose content you think they might like. Use Pinterest without a doubt. One of my designs became very popular on Pinterest, which was a big reason why I made so many sales right away. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.